What inspired me to pursue the field of aircraft maintenance is actually my stepdad. He used to be a sheet metal technician for United Airlines. Sounded really cool that he got to get hands-on experience with aircraft and get up and close, and so I followed his footsteps.
I went and became an airline technician after going to a technical institute, graduated, and I've been in the airline industry ever since.
Technical responsibility is to maintain and repair in the aircraft, the avionics part and the mechanical equipment part of the plane.
Being an aircraft technician doesn't mean you just fix the plane. You also ensure that it's safe. That makes me feel very empowered, knowing that all these lives depends on what I do.
I take pride in my work. When I know I send this aircraft out, it's going to be safe and reliable.
What's cool about my job at United Airlines is this. Being able to work on these type of airplanes day in and day out is one of the greatest feelings you can have. Being an A&P technician is a great career. Unlike most jobs where you're going to go into an office and just sit there day in and day out and do the same thing, this career is very dynamic. You get to troubleshoot airplanes, you get to change parts, you're involved in all the new technology of our fleet. There's nothing better than that as far as I'm concerned.
If you like to work with your hands and play video games, you would absolutely love working on the next-gen aircraft. You get to learn all about the electronics on these huge aircrafts, and you also get paid for it.
Every day I learn something new. That's what I love about this place. On top of that, we have senior technician here who is more than willing to help me make myself a better technician each and every day. I really like that part about United. It's always about the employees. It's about the people for sure.
My job's so unique because we can work all different types of weather and all different types of planes that United has. I prefer to work inside.
My favorite aspect of my career is actually getting to work with all the coworkers here. They are very knowledgeable and very helpful and very friendly.
My favorite part about working at United is its diversity. I like how welcoming people have been. On the very first day I got here, I didn't feel like I was pointed out specifically because of my gender. They welcome me just like any of the guys here.
I love my job as an A&P technician because there's a never dull moment.
You get to work on all the newest airplanes. You'll have the latest technology. I did not regret doing it, and I think it would be fun and great for somebody else to get into the industry.
The sky's the limit with what my career holds with United.
I love working in technical operation at United.